Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and take a look at my fun stash of items. These actually came from 3 separate companies. We're gonna go at this one at a time. All right, the first one is from Arteza. Now I got a couple of fun things. One is this brand new mat. Let's take a look. This is a self-healing mat. It's my new background mat for all of my creative endeavors, including when I do filming. It is double-sided. This is actually the darker side. This is an old mat I have, but this is the color of the lighter side. So it is double-sided, so if one side is just not what you're looking for, flip it over, you can use the other side. It is amazing. I've been playing with the small one quite a bit, and I absolutely love it. It cleans great. This one's double-sided as well, so you just get the idea. This is just on a smaller scale. The new one I got is 36 by 24, so it goes way longer than the actual camera. It's the entire length of my desk and also the entire width of my desk. It is fabulous, and each one of these squares is a 1-inch little square. You can use it as a rotary color or just as a background mat. So you can use it for quilting. I use it a lot for my felts, so it'll cut on my felts, and it is just great. So I'm loving my new mats, and there is a coupon code. So links to all the supplies that I'm showing you guys are going to be down below for where you guys can get your own, because I love my new mats. All right, I also picked up some new holographic glitter. I mean, take a look at this stuff. So this is the multi-purpose radiant color non-toxic 2 holographic chunky glitter. I love the little containers they come in. This is the Electra. You guys know me, blues and greens. Purple's got to throw in there too. They look awesome. And here is the mermaid. Look how pretty this is. I thought these would be perfect for shaker cards. So on the side here, it actually says you can use them art, nails, hair, and DIY, which I think the hair is kind of fun. And then the nails, I didn't realize you could use it with your nails. That is kind of a cool thing. So picked up that from Arteza as well as something fun to play with. All right, a friend of mine, Ann Butler, and I took it out of the packaging so it wouldn't look so bright and shiny. She has a brand new set of stamps, and she sent them to me to show off, and I'll be using them in some future videos. Do not fret. And they are really cool. So they're these linear stamps that have these beautiful designs. So there's a whole bunch. This one's is like a series of bumps. Look, this one's like this crosshatch. There's so many designs. Some of them are just lines. They're so cool. The cool thing about these is that you could line them up, and here's a whole, there's 2 different sets that you get, and each set has a different set of designs that come with it. So they both have this lines, but look, they're different. They're different gradations on that, which I think is fabulous. She already had a set of ones where it was a whole bunch of squares, and there was one linear one, I believe, that was in that set, and then she has a whole bunch that are background patterns, but now she's mixed them so where it's all just this long linear, which I think is so cool. So can you use it for anything else? It is a rubber stamp. It is from Unity Stamps, as you can tell. You can use it with just about anything, and these are so new and hot off the press. We actually had to, she hand wrote the name on the back. So Background Builders Set 2, and this one is Background Builders Set 1. So I will leave the link for where you can find this at Unity. It may not be released yet. I'm not 100% sure because these are hot off the press, let me tell you. But they are very, very cool. Thank you so much, Ann. Lastly, all this fun little stuff from Expo International. So just take a look. There's this cute little bag. So look at this little burlap bag. It's so stinking adorable. And take a look at this one. Isn't this so cute? I'm in love with this. It's so linear. I have an idea like this would be a perfect wine bag. I just think it's so cool. And then this one, a little gift bag. So cute. And so I picked up some fun things that I could use to decorate. I mean, just get a load of this guy. This is actually a an iron-on element, and it's got like it's made with glass, which I think is so pretty. So it's just got a little bit of weight to it and just so gorgeous. Then they have all these really cool beads here. These are actually buttons, so you can sew them on. You can actually see there's holes in there. So you could sew these on or glue them on, whatever strikes your fancy. So those are those pieces I picked up. These are all iron-on stars. I just think they're so gorgeous. Look how pretty those are. This one's in coral, and they're like glittery and sequiny, red, and then in white. So gorgeous. Here we have a couple of really pretty beads. I picked up a few sets of these, and they're just so gorgeous. I'm going to open one up because I'm dying to see what they look like in person. Oh, so just take a look at these. These actually have a hole, so you can string them. So you can use them for jewelry, all kinds of stuff. But I just thought these were so pretty. And so I had to get them in blue and aqua. So here's the blue and here's the aqua. So gorgeous. And the last thing I picked up were these iron-on bees. I just thought these were so cute. I mean, look how fun they are. And then think about if you put them on top of one of these. So gorgeous. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to go with all these products yet, but I thought they were so pretty, and I had to share them with you. So thanks so much for stopping in and checking out all these fun new little embellishments, shaker pieces, my brand new mat, the stamps and also all the elements that came from Expo International. Amazing company, has some amazing products. This is just a small sample. A lot of what they have is actually a bunch of trims, wedding stuff. I mean, you name it. If you go there, if you're into crafting in any way, shape, or form, they have so much stuff there, which is great. So thanks for stopping by. Check out all these companies. Links are down below, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.